Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Rebel. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds, radio, Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, 33-gallon fuel tank, Rebel Level 1 equipment group included, radio Uconnect 4 with 8.4 display, rear window defroster, rear view auto dim mirror, power adjustable pedals, rear dome with on-off switch lamp, universal garage door opener, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, foam bottle insert, door trim panel, single disc remote CD player, black premium power mirrors, sun visors with illuminated vanity mirrors, spray and bed liner, quick order package, 27W Rebel included, engine 5.7 L V8 HEMA MDS VVTe torque, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower.